Hello my friends, hope you are doing very good. Today we will make pepper chicken, which is very easy to make, and we need very less ingredients to make this tasty and juicy recipe. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get timely notification. To begin with, we will need 600 grams of chicken cut into small to medium pieces. To this, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half a cup of plain yogurt. Mix all the ingredients well in a bowl and marinate them for half an hour. For better results, you can marinate for 1 hour so you can get even softer and juicier pepper chicken. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use ghee or butter as well if you want. Once oil is medium hot, add marinated chicken pieces. Spread the chicken evenly, cover with a lid and cook for 20 minutes in a slow to medium heat. Open the lid and flip the chicken pieces so other sides also gets cooked. Cover the lid again and this time cook for 10 minutes. Stir the chickens occasionally to avoid getting burned. Add 2 green chilies cut into thin slices. Add quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Mix them for 5 minutes and our tasty dry pepper chicken is ready. Friends, as you can see, this recipe needs only few ingredients. Yet you will love its taste. We want only the flavor of black pepper to dominate, and so no need to add other spices. Yogurt helps in keeping the chicken soft and juicy. Garnish the dish with slices of green chilies and thin slices of ginger. So friends, give it a try and let me know how was it in the comment section. If you like this recipe, then please share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another new recipe. Goodbye.